You know that feeling? Drowning in likes, comments, and FOMO? Yeah, social media is a productivity killer. But there's a solution. Deep work hack number 3. Ditch the social media vortex. Not forever, just strategically. If you missed out the previous deep work hacks, you can check them out here. Imagine laser focus, amplified creativity, and stress levels dropping like a mic. Quitting cold turkey might sound scary, so start small. Step 1. Identify your objectives. Define clear professional and personal goals where deep work is essential. Step 2. Evaluate network tools. List all the social media and network tools you use. For each, ask if it has a substantial positive, negative, or neutral impact on your core objectives. Step 3. Only retain tools that significantly contribute to your key goals. Step 4. Apply the 80-20 principle. Consider which 20% of tools contribute 80% of the value and focus on those. Step 5. Perform a 30-day social media hiatus. Temporarily quit all social media for 30 days to reset your habits and dependencies. Step 6. Reassess tool. Use post-hiatus. At the end of the hiatus, reintroduce only the tools that you missed and that provide clear value. Hack number 4 is a brilliant framework to prioritize your work or even your life. It is called the 4 Ds of time management. If a task is important and urgent, do it immediately. This keeps critical tasks from becoming bottlenecks and ensures progress is steady. Delegate. If the task is not something only you can do, delegate it to someone else. This leverages other people's skills and time and frees you up to focus on tasks that require your unique expertise. Defer. If a task is important but not urgent, schedule a time to do it later. Defer it to a planned future time. You can manage your workload more effectively without neglecting necessary tasks. If a task is neither important nor urgent, consider deleting it altogether. This helps minimize clutter in your schedule and allows you to conserve energy for the tasks that truly matter. Now you know all the 4 hacks in deep work. In the next video, we will show you how to set up a system to integrate deep work as part of your life. Subscribe and see you in the next video.